If you've ever needed to manage multiple accounts on your favorite apps, you'll be excited to hear about the latest update to OnePlus app cloning feature. Here's a rundown of what's new. Enhanced app cloning with Oxygen OS 14.1. The app cloning feature has seen significant improvements. Previously, users were limited to cloning a handful of apps like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Now, the update expands this list, allowing you to clone a wider variety of apps. You can access this through settings greater than, apps greater than, app cloner, and see a new option called Other Apps Compatibility Notes. When exploring the new settings, you'll notice a warning that some cloned apps may face issues due to adaptation problems. This is because certain apps are designed to run on the main user profile, and cloning them might cause problems like file retrieval errors. Apps like Discord are notably missing from the list, possibly due to these compatibility concerns. No more workarounds needed. Earlier, cloning apps that weren't on the system's internal allow list required using ADB commands or third-party cloners. With the latest update, you can now clone most apps without needing these workarounds, making it much more user-friendly. Looking ahead, Android 15's upcoming private space feature, which supports multiple profiles, might further enhance app cloning capabilities. It'll be interesting to see if OnePlus integrates this new feature into Oxygen OS 15, potentially offering even more robust cloning options. Stay tuned for more updates as OnePlus continues to refine its app cloning technology.